3 machines. So now I'm practically going to show you how this machine works. So I have 2 saris in my hand. I'm going to wash these 2 saris and show you practically. So I'm opening the door. I'm loading all the 2 saris into the machine. I have closed the door again. So here I'm going to open the wall. You will have the empty of chemical on the top of this machine that would be loaded into the inner drum now. So the cycle time of this machine is 5 minutes. So I'm going to set it to 5 minutes. Start the machine. So you can see the washing cycle has been started. So in just 5 minutes, you can do the washing, and in other 5 minutes, you do the spinning. So in almost like 5 to 10 minutes, you can do all the process in this. The specialty of this machine is like, you know what, this machine is used for basically for high-end fabrics, that is like pattus and all, where the lot of color bleeding happens when you wash it in the water. But in this machine, when you use this chemical and the machine doesn't give any sort of bleeding, like, you know what, color fading out, like, or the fabric gets spoiled or anything. So it gives an 100% output without any bleeding or without any color damage to the fabric. So now the washing is completed. So now we are taking the machine into the spinning mode, that is extraction mode. So I'll show you how. So I'm going to on the drain out pipe and then take it into extraction mode. Here you can see wash and extraction mode, and set the timer to 5 minutes again. The machine starts extracting the oil. The best thing is like 80% to 90% of the chemical would be recycled again into the lower tank here, and the same chemical can be used in the next cycle. So this is how the machine works. So in just 10 minutes, the process is completed. 5 minutes for the washing and 5 minutes for the extraction. This machine has very simple programming levels here. You can see that it has a washing option and an extraction option and a start button and the timer button and a stop button. So any lay person can operate this. It is very easy to operate this machine. 10 minutes of process is over of this machine. Now I'm going to open the machine now. As you can see, it's like almost 80% to 90% it is dried, like just 10% of moisture is there. With this 10% of moisture, you can apply some starch to the saree and you can directly go to the ironing section. You can iron the saree in the saree ironing